Now, the next point that I would like to discuss is options. I'm sure this is something that a lot of you might have experienced in your life when it comes to love and relationships. So, nowadays, it has become like, a habit, like treating people like an option. Whenever you find yourself in a situation where you are being treated like an option, just remove yourself gracefully and yeah, you know what is the problem? Deep down in your heart, you know that the other person is treating you like an option, but still you are entertaining them. You know why? What is the psychology behind this? A lack of self worth is forcing you to act this way. And this happens when someone has this tendency to chase people, okay, to run after people. You don't need to entertain anyone who is treating you like an option. And you are doing this because you don't know who you really are. You don't know your worth, your value. You don't know what you bring to the table, okay? So if you are someone who is doing this, then listen this, okay? Lot of people entertain relationship people who is treating them like an option because in some way they are trying to seek that validation. If this person decide to choose me, I'm this and I'm this. So if you have this problem of seeking validation, seeking extra validation in your connections, then you really really need to work on your self-worth, okay? You are doing this because you don't know who you really are, and most importantly you are trying to seek that validation. So if you want to work on this issue, then really work on yourself. Know who you really are, okay? Know who you really are. Connect with your passion, anything that makes you feel happy. Once you know who you really are, once you know your worth, once you know what you bring to the table, you will never entertain anyone who wants to treat you like an option. So yeah, this kind of things happens when you are lacking that, you are lacking when you are lacking that self love. You have not worked on your self worth. So start loving yourself more and work on your self worth, okay? And in order to do that, connect with your passion. Connect, connect, connect with your passion. Do something that makes you feel wonder, like who I am at my core, who I am at my core. And yeah, and I've seen this one thing that when people are experience this, like when they are being treated like an option, it really affect their mental health. It really affect their self image, like how they see themselves. And they start questioning themselves, like is it something wrong with me? Why they choose the other person? So if you are feeling this way, then I want to tell you that it's okay. It's okay to feel this way, but whatever you are feeling, it's not true, okay? If you have if you have ever experienced this in your life where you were treated like an option, then I want to tell you this one thing, that it has nothing to do with you. You know, whatever a person whatever a person do, like whatever they do, like their behavior, their action in relationship, it has nothing to do with you, okay? It's their own belief, thinking, and projection. Whether they choose you or not, it does not define who you really are. It does not increase or decrease your value, your worth, okay? And this is something that you need to remind yourself. Whatever the other person does in relationship, their behavior, their action, their thoughts, their thinking, it does not define you, okay? You will not take it personally, okay? Because you are really operating from the frequency of self love. You know who you really are, you know your worth. Just, just remove yourself gracefully. Just remove yourself from this kind of situation, like gracefully. And yeah, once you realize this, whatever the other person like do, like their behavior, their action, whether they are choosing you or anyone in the world, it does not who it does not define who you really are. It does not increase or decrease your value, your worth. Once you realize this, once you accept this, once you actually start loving yourself unconditionally, you will not even feel bad. Okay, like, okay, you know, okay, I don't want to play in this game of, like, I will just remove myself gracefully and yeah, move on. So once you actually start loving yourself, once you accept this fact that whatever they do, it does not define who you really are, it does not increase or decrease your value, your worth, you will not even feel bad about this, okay? Yeah. Understand this one thing, that the other person might not know who you really are. The other person doesn't know who you really are. They don't know who you really are. They don't know your worth, your value. But it's your responsibility to remind yourself that, like, who you really are, okay? It's your responsibility to take a stand for yourself and remove yourself from any situation that make you feel unworthy, okay? That make you feel unworthy in love. So remove yourself from any situation, walk away from any situation that do not serve you, okay? When we get hurt by someone, we start blaming, we start complaining that why it's happening to me, why it's happening to me. But what you are missing to understand is that you have a choice, okay? You have a choice. Decide what do you want from a relationship, from a connection, and raise your standards high, and do not accept anything that make you feel unworthy in love, in relationship, that make you feel bad about yourself. You don't know where do you stand in that relationship. You have a choice, and this is something that you are not able to understand. You are constantly complaining that this is something that is happening to you. It's hurting you. I understand it's hurting you. But what you are not able to understand, it's that you have a choice. You can break this pattern by raising your energy high, by, you know, like raise your standards high, by working on yourself, and to not accept or entertain anything that make you feel unworthy of love, like that make you feel bad about yourself, that make you feel insecure. You can break that pattern, and once you break that pattern, you will not need to go and complain. No matter how, no matter how hurt we are from our past relationships or connections, we always have a choice to heal our to heal ourselves and to break that pattern, and creating a strong foundation, and just, yeah. So heal yourself, love yourself, break that pattern, and create a new strong foundation. This is what I want from a relationship, from a connection. And I'm not going to entertain anything that is toxic, okay? If it's coming from the place of love, peace, harmony, then it's fine, okay? So you always have a choice. So break that pattern and do not entertain anything that is toxic. Do not entertain, this is the message. Do not entertain anything that make you feel unworthy of love, that make you feel bad about yourself, whether it's a person or any situation, okay? You always have a choice. Yeah, so that's all I have for this episode. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.